Ochako kamano ne jotelo mag kwedo piny owacho riwruok margi mar United Opposition okwedo malich mokalo Muko ma bende koro piny owacho ne otimo dier otieno ma kawuono ne jo ohala kata chiro nendo mag Gikomba buore Nairobi ma bende koro weyo ka jo ohala mathoth gin mago eko mowito mwandugi ka otelnegi kod ogai mar Wiper moluor Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, nyawadgi mar DCP Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua, ogai mar Democratic Action Party of Kenya DAP-K Eugene Wamalwa e kind jotelogo eko mamoko giyango ni mano nyiso kaka koro piny owacho ok odewo oganda ma pacho kaendi to moloyo jo ohala ma bende ne gisingo mar rito. Kalonzo koro dwaro mar mondo mi ne ochul jo ohalago eko kaluwore kod lal ma bende giyudo.
We were here. We are very disturbed by what is coming out of our capital city. The demolitions at 4 o'clock at Gikomba market are inhuman, they are disheartening, and we condemn them unreservedly. Why on earth would you want to disturb people at 4 o'clock in the morning if you are doing anything lawful? And yet we remember it was at that same Gikomba where William Ruto the other day went and said he was putting there a market. So this inhuman treatment of Kenyans by an uncaring administration of Kenya Kwanza needs unreservedly to be condemned. We stand with the people who are affected. We will insist on compensation and whatever.
And we ask him, William Ruto, we know, we understand your frustration that Kenyans want to send you home to be a one-term president. But why are you at war with the Kenyans? You are at war with the Kenyans. Why do you release policemen and other people with such vicious brutality in the middle of the night to persecute the people of Kenya? The purported arrest of Sakaja was diversionary. It was a red herring. It was meant to divert attention as cruel and inhuman actions were being planned by William Ruto and the police. I want to ask the traders to take heart and to appreciate that difficult as things are, our day is coming. And we have a date with William Ruto next year on the 10th of August. And we must put an end to these inhuman and brutal acts against innocent Kenyans.
We got very sad news about what happened in Gikomba last night. As lawyers, we know that certain operations, including enforcement of court orders, must be done within specified hours. They cannot be carried out during ungodly hours. We saw what happened in Gikomba yesterday. We saw what happened at Dari, Honorable Tuju's place, people raiding private property at 3 o'clock, very ungodly hours. And all this points out, apart from what happened at Nairobi Hospital, a private enterprise being taken over by so-called Petron, all this points out to the need to reset this nation and set our feet back on the path of the rule of law and constitutionalism. That cannot happen as long as William Ruto is president. That is why we're all saying he must be one term so that we get our country back